Hi, it's Dr. Long with Midwest Low Vision, and I'm a little casual today. I came in here on the weekend to share with you our new space. I'm excited about it. So Midwest Low Vision no longer will be intertwined quite as much with Long Family Eye Care. I'll take you on a little tour and show you the current setup, which is really nice. But what we've done is make some space for primary care and other forms of optometry that we practice here, and then make a separate space for the low vision care. So come along with me. Let's take a little trip. At the end, I'll give you a little more information about who I am and what I do and how to get a hold of me. So again, it's Dr. Long, and let's go take a tour and see this exciting new space. Thanks. Okay, so let's take the tour. This part won't change. The patient will come in and check in at the desk here. They'll have a seat over in the waiting area. When the technician, that would traditionally be Casey and now Holly, comes to get them, they'll come back like any other patient would down this hallway and into the current preliminary testing room. They would get an auto refraction in here and be led over a short distance to the low vision exam room. And in this room, we can see regular patients, but we have the backlit ETDRS chart. We have a television in here. We have a light, an OT lamp. We have extra equipment in the cabinet. It's set up for low vision examinations. There was a track for the exam chair as well. They would then come up this way. So when I'm done with the patient, they come this way to what we have traditionally called the Vision Aid Center. So we have filters, we have different magnifiers, electronics such as CCTVs, the rubies. So we've got the Smart Lux, some Ocutech like the Falcon, the Orcam, handheld spotting scopes, etc. So this will become the preliminary testing room once we move. And they'll get their auto refraction in here instead. This is back to the entrance and the waiting room. So they'll have a short trip to get their auto refraction. This is then where we have broken through. So this is still a closet on this side and our server room back here. But we broke through right here and we took 850 square feet more space. We've got a bathroom there. We have a rear exit. We have some windows for patients to be able to look out. And this will be the new exam lane. So come on in, let's take a look. We'll have an electronic chart. We've got an outlet down there to plug the ETDRS chart in. We have a switch for the lights, rheostat that we can use, so that'll be handy. My little desk will go here. The patient chair will go there on a slider, so it slides back into that area. We'll have extra equipment. I have a trial lens cabinet that's lighted. On its way, hopefully, depending on shipping. The patient will come out here instead of having that long trip to meet with Holly, Casey, or another technician for measurements, extra demonstrations. They can look out the back here to test a distance device. And lastly, this area is our technician. So again, Holly's space. This is her office. Some cabinets for her. We still use paper charts for our low vision care for a variety of reasons. One being that we have satellite offices. A couple chairs for the exam room for family members, caregivers. That's my desk. That's my stool. We don't have Holly's desk yet, but it's in the works. It won't be long. So they'll get to work on this next week, and it really won't be much longer. So pretty exciting. Thanks for watching. So I hope you enjoyed the tour of our current low vision space, Midwest Low Vision, within Long Family Eye Care, as well as what will be the new space for Midwest Low Vision adjacent to Long Family Eye Care. If you don't know who I am, by the way, I'm Dr. Jared Long. A little bit casual today, like I said, on the weekend, but just excited about our new space. I trained in hospital-based ocular disease through SUNY in New York in 1996. I also shadowed a low vision specialist in Westchester County in 1997, as well got comprehensive lighthouse certification through the New York Lighthouse and trained under the late Eleanor Fay, as well as Bruce Rosenthal. I started practicing low vision right away, 25 years ago now, but also trained with renowned optometrist Dr. Richard Schuldiner. That was in California, and that was a week long. And since then, through his tutelage and the International Academy of Low Vision Specialists, I've helped thousands of patients to see better who have macular degeneration, inherited retinal diseases, ocular and other forms of albinism, you name it, glaucoma, diabetic retinopathy. So anyway, that's low vision care. If you need me, if you need help seeing better and getting more out of the vision you have, give me a call. My toll-free number is 877-577-2040. Again, Dr. Jared Long, low vision optometrist with Midwest Low Vision. Thank you.